So now that you're familiar with how we use an if function, I'm going to introduce a couple more functions that play off the same ideas but might save you a fair bit of time, and those are mostly COUNTIF and SUMIF. So in COUNTIF, it's basically applying the count function, so it counts how many cells are there, but only when a certain condition is true. So if we look at that, so it counts the number of cells within a range that meet the given condition. So COUNTIF the range, so I want to find out the number of people that can drink, so I need to know just the ones that are greater than or equal to 18. So I select the range and then the criteria. Now there's a little trick here. We actually have to put our condition in different than what we've seen it before. So it's going to be greater than or equal to 18. So because we're going to apply this to every cell, we don't need the left-hand side value. That's just implied as it's going to be applied to every value, but because of that we need to wrap the whole thing in quotation marks. So if I do this, it gives us 7, so let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's accurate. Same thing for the SUMIF. We apply a range and we can put the condition in, so we'll put the same one in, greater than 18. And then there's a final value here called SUMRange, so I'll explain that one in a second. So I'm just going to leave it blank for the first time. 225, that's the amount of people, that's the added ages of all the people that can drink. So that's nice and easy to use. If we wanted to have the SUMRange, so we might want to apply the condition to one range, but sum the values in another range. So I'm just going to put ones in here, and what I'm going to do is sum up all the ones for the people that can drink. So instead of using the COUNTIF, I'm doing something that's functionally the same by summing this range instead of this, but the criteria is applied to this first one, and then we just sum the second one. So we get 7 and we get the same value. So like I said, that's now functionally the same, but different purposes. So that covers SUMIF and COUNTIF.